Thank you too much for the introduction and for the invitation. President Turk, Prime Minister Power, former President Kucan, Mayor Yankovic, I am delighted to be back in Slovenia, and I am delighted to be here on a day when the sun is shining. Although I know the difference today between being President of the United States and being a former President of the United States. When I was here in a driving rainstorm, 30,000 people came out to see me, risking pneumonia under their umbrellas. Today, in a beautiful sunlit scene, people just passed by and said hello. It was wonderful to see the progress that has been made in the last 11 years or so, since I was here, 10 years. To see the increased prosperity, even in the current difficulties, the entry into the European Union, NATO. I worry a little bit about your getting too successful in many ways. When I was out on my walk, I saw the Prime Minister, and he was there with my friend Craig Smith, who's now working here. He had a senior position in the White House when I was president, and I think he believes he's now been promoted. I look forward to this opportunity to speak, and later Aisha Botnik is going to ask me some questions, and I'll try to give hopefully decent answers. But I'd like to begin by talking